In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create connections to Kibana and Grafana data sources in Skedler. In my Skedler account, I'll open DataSources. I have no data source set up yet, and I can choose Elasticsearch Kibana or Grafana. I'll start with Elasticsearch and enter the data source name. I'll also need to enter the Elasticsearch URL, and under Advanced Option, I can set the search limit as high as 10,000 and configure the ping and request timeouts from the ELK stack. These advanced options are relevant if I'll be using custom layouts for reports instead of the dashboard layout. Below this, I'll enter the Kibana URL and enable authentication if required. Skedler also supports third-party authentications, including XPack, SearchGuard, OpenDistro, and Nginx, and I'll choose Security Onion. Finally, I'll add my Elasticsearch and Kibana usernames and passwords. Now I'll click Test and Save, and the data source is added and connected. To add a Grafana data source, I'll click Create Data Source and choose Grafana, and enter my Grafana data source name and Grafana URL. I can enable SSL verification, but you can skip this step if your server is not SSL enabled. I can also enable CA and client certification, which requires certificate paths and key. Finally, I can keep basic login or choose API login, for which I would need the API key. I'll go back to basic login and enter my Grafana credentials. Note that for either login type, I need Grafana admin credentials. I'll click Test and Save again, and now my Grafana data source is added and connected.